Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for Zurich Cantonal Switzerland online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Zurich Cantonal Bank. So now we're going to click on the link, then this is their official website. Then next we're going to head to private banking. As you can see there are different options. Then we're going to click on login e-banking. So next we're going to click on get to know e-banking. So here, since the language is different, we can translate using our browser. So once translated, we're going to scroll down and click on order e-banking. Then we're going to select our age, then click on next. Then we're going to click on order now. So here we're going to insert our personal details. We're going to answer questions, create password, install the app, as well as sign documents. So now we're going to enter our personal details. So we're going to fill out this form. Then once you're done, we're going to click on next. So we're going to go through the steps I told you earlier. So this is how we open our bank account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.